every morning before the city below even opens its eyes. High above the rushing streets, she shares a quiet ritual with the dawn. Wrapped in her favorite scarf, she prepares with a gentle scatter of seeds. The sky answers one by one. Her little feather-bound friends arrive, turning her quiet rooftop into a lively sanctuary.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Say